Hi, everybody. This is Robin Miller with the KyCPA, and I'm here to bring you this week's weekly roundup. This is the week of February 27th. We have a lot coming up, though, in the next couple of weeks, actually, that I wanted to bring your attention to, one of which is our CPA mock exam workshop on March 9th. So if you know somebody sitting for the CPA exam and needs some practice, we have a free simulated mock exam on March 9th. From a CPE perspective, we've got a great series happening in March that I wanted to let you know about now, and that is our CFO series. It's a webinar bundle and it includes 4 different programs. March 10th is staff retention, about attracting and keeping the best staff. March 17th is measure what matters, identifying the right KPIs, key performance indicators. March 24th is best practices, looking at metrics, and March 31st is on diversity, equity, and inclusion. So we're very excited about that program for March. Want you to get registered for that now. Other events that we have coming up, we have the CFO Roundtable on March 17th. We also have the Spring Awards Banquet on April 28th. We've been talking about that here for a couple of weeks, so hopefully you're signed up for that, or will get signed up for that if you haven't already. Of course, we are still renting our Gratzer Education Center for outside groups, anybody who might need to take advantage of the great space that we have to offer here. And something else that you may or may not know that we do is you can post an accounting position. So if you guys are looking to hire, although I'm sure you're all fully staffed, right? But if you're not and you're looking to hire somebody, we can post that position for you. If you're a member, we can post that for you free of charge, and you would just click on our website to go ahead and do that. Thanks, everybody. Hope you're having a great week. Stay dry. It was a wet one today.